Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Roku TV is showing you the blinking red light and won't turn on properly, this particular issue is related to power or sometimes startup problems or TV that's not receiving the voltage. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this particular problem step by step. So first of all, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply inspect the power cable. So you need to make sure that it is firmly connected to both TV and the wall outlet. If you are using a power strip or surge protector, you can try plugging the TV directly into the wall outlet to rule out the power delivery issues. After doing so, you can also unplug the Roku TV from the power and then you can leave it disconnected for at least 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, you can also just simply press and hold the power button on top of your TV, and then you can just simply hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. So after doing so, you just have to simply reconnect the power cable and then try turning the TV on again. Now if the red light continue blinking and the screen never fully loads, it means that the TV may be stuck in the startup loop. So in this case, you just have to simply disconnect any of the connected devices such as streaming sticks or gaming consoles or soundbars or USB devices, and then you need to again restart the TV and check if it boots normally. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Roku TV is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.